Did you know that your mind never sleeps, even when you do? While your body rests, your subconscious mind, the driving force behind your beliefs, habits, and actions, is wide awake, absorbing everything you feed it. Now imagine using that untapped potential to reprogram your thoughts and manifest your dream life and attract abundance while you sleep. Sounds powerful, doesn't it? But here is the thing. Most people go to bed carrying stress, self-doubt, and limiting beliefs. What if this is the very reason you are stuck, unable to break free from the cycle of struggle? But don't worry. You are not alone in this, and there is a simple solution of it. In this video, I am going to guide you through the life-changing power of affirmations while sleeping. And by the end of this video, you will have the tools to reprogram your mind for success effortlessly. But stay with me, because what I am about to share could completely transform your life. Now let's start with this. What exactly happens to your mind while you sleep? Your conscious mind, the one responsible for overthinking, doubting, and worrying, takes a backseat. This leaves your subconscious wide open, like fertile soil ready to absorb new seeds. And what are these seeds? These seeds are your affirmations. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. It simply believes what it's repeatedly told. This is both exciting and frightening because for many of us, we unknowingly feed it with negativity. Think about it this way. How many nights have you fallen asleep replaying failures or worrying about the future? Now imagine replacing those thoughts with powerful affirmations like, I am successful, abundance flows to me effortlessly, or I am worthy of love and success. Now pause for a moment and ask yourself this question. What is my subconscious mind absorbing right now? Am I feeding it negativity or aligning it with my dreams? And the good news is, it's never too late to take control. So why do affirmations while sleeping work so effectively? The answer lies in something called the theta brainwave state. When you are asleep, your brain operates in theta, a state of deep relaxation and heightened suggestibility. This is the same state that hypnosis works in, and it's the perfect time to rewire your beliefs. But here is where urgency kicks in. If you don't actively use this time to your advantage, your mind will default to the thoughts you have been carrying all day. Thoughts of lack, fear, doubts, or even failure. It's like letting weeds take over your garden because you didn't plant flowers. Do you really want your subconscious filled with doubts when you could be reprogramming it for wealth, health, and happiness? Okay, let me share a story with you guys. A friend of mine felt stuck in her career for years. Every single night she'd go to bed thinking, I will never get that promotion. But then she started playing affirmations while sleeping at night. And within months, not only did she get that promotion, but her confidence skyrocketed. She told me it was as if her mind finally believed she deserved every bit of success. And here is the best part. You can do it too. Now let's dive into how you can start tonight, and the process is very simple but incredibly effective. So the first thing is be very specific. Choose specific affirmations. Focus on the areas of your life you want to improve. Is it wealth? Is it love? Is it confidence? Is it career or anything? Use affirmations like, I am financially free, I attract meaningful relationships, or I radiate confidence. Number 2, use audio or create your own recording. You can find pre-recorded affirmations on YouTube or record yourself saying them. Hearing your own voice can amplify the impact because it feels very personal and believable. Number 3 is set the right environment. Create a calm, distraction-free space and play the affirmation at a low volume, just enough for your subconscious to pick them up. And the last but most important, be consistent. And this is the key. Think of it like watering a plant. You won't see results overnight, but with time, growth is inevitable. And here is where it gets exciting. Once you begin this habit, you will notice subtle changes. Your confidence will improve, opportunities you once overlooked will appear, and most importantly, you will feel aligned with the person you have always wanted to be. But don't just take my word for it. Use it yourself. Are you ready to give it a try tonight and see the transformation for yourself? And here is a little secret most people miss. Affirmations alone aren't enough. No doubt they are powerful, but when combined with intentional action, they become unstoppable. And for that, you can watch my this video on 6 life-changing morning habits for success. These habits will perfectly complement your sleep affirmations and will amplify the effect of them, helping you manifest success even faster, and also help you to stay aligned and focused throughout the day. So click here to watch and take the next step towards creating your dream life. So, are you ready to take control of your dreams starting tonight? Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling renewed, motivated, and aligned with the energy of abundance. That future is waiting for you guys. It's just one habit away. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more transformational content.